Hello, welcome back again to my channel, and happy Valentine's everyone. To all my family and friends, my partner, happy Valentine's. Today I'm going to make a stuffed rolled beef flank. Now this is all the ingredients. I have 2 pounds of flank that I already marinated last night. I did not make a video because it's too late already. It came home like too late, and then but I have a recipe how to marinate that. Then I have the spinach and broccoli, and this is the mozzarella. I'm not gonna use that all. Maybe 1 cup, and 2 slices of green onions, and all that there. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna chop the broccoli. I have this very sharp knife that I'm supposed to use only for my sushi. But I don't make sushi every day, so I decided to use it. Because this one has the flank need to slices in the middle. I really need a sharp knife to do that. How's everyone doing? Hope you guys have a good Valentine's Day. So we're done chopping the broccoli. There we go. Let's do the next steps. So this mozzarella is already sliced. This is the fresh one. Just have to like maybe 1.5 cup for this, or 1 cup. And you just have to slice it in small piece to spread it in the meat. Alright, we're done chopping the mozzarella cheese. So now we need to cut right here in the middle. Just be careful. You're not gonna cut all the way to the other bottom. That's why I said you need a sharp knife to do this. Okay, easy for me to do like this. So this is it. Just leave that, don't cut all the way. Leave it like to close the stuffing. So this is it. So right, the next thing we do is spread some black pepper in there. Just for taste. The salt. and Parmesan. And while you're doing this, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. And then we spread some this. Some of the cheese. And now let's put this one right there. And let's start rolling up. And just roll this up like that, really tight. That way, anyway, you have to tight this one with Twine. Start coming out. See, I don't put the stock right on the edge, that way we can close that. There you go. So we need to tight this one to tight it. First, you need to close down this side really tight. That way, there's only little come out. The cheese, like that. Really tight. You can add more of the pepper, black pepper there. And a garlic powder. And also paprika. Just to like get the color of the meat on top. And we spray it. Alright. Don't forget this one face up. I want to have a roll up right there on the edge. Okay, so we need to cover up with aluminum foil and bake it. Okie dokes. So this is the sauce for my rolled up beef flank. This is my experiment sauce, so let's try it together. I have buttermilk and I have a very sweet wine, red wine, and cornstarch and dried parsley. And this one is caraway seed. It smells good, and I wanna put that also in there on my sauce. And 1 tablespoon of extra butter because they already have butter there, and salt and black pepper. And also we gonna need 1/4 cup of this roasted red bell pepper. Okay, let's get started. Then we're going to grind this because it's big. It smells really good. I love the smell. So this is what it looks like. smells really good. And this one too, we need to chop it. Just slice it in small pieces, like cubes. Alright, that should be enough. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and drop the broth. And the butter. Oops. And the milk. Buttermilk. The wine. And let's add the roasted peppers. And black peppers. And a little salt. You just adjust your sodium later. Alright. And then I'll add the cornstarch. Now we'll simmer this until lightly stick. We'll simmer it until lightly sticky. Just put your heat on a medium. Just constantly stir it. So let's try it, what it tastes like. My experiment. This is should be enough. So turn up your heat and then we'll try it. How it goes. It's actually really good, trust me, so good. Alright everyone, here is my stuffed rolled up beef flank. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. To those people who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please click the buttons and subscribe my channel. Alright, happy Valentine's Day, and I hope you guys have a good Valentine's Day. Okie dokie. God bless. See ya.